What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider. Today is another video with the Kawasaki Z900. So this is a 2022 Kawasaki Z900 50th anniversary. As you guys can see right here, 1972 to 2022, 50 years of anniversary with Kawasaki. Bravo. And they have been doing great, phenomenal motorcycle. I have owned two Kawasaki's before. My brother has one now, the 2017 Z900, and that's his friends. And these are awesome, great bikes, guys. So can't wait to go for a ride. So we had to get a full system for this bike. As you guys can see, we have a Delkevic. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I think it's Delkevic. Full system on it. And that bike sounds amazing. So without any further ado, let's go for a ride and hear the sound. We'll put a clip here how it sounded before, so you guys can compare the sound. But the exhaust looks great, guys. This is really good looking. I mean, it's a budget exhaust, but it does, for the price you pay, sounds great and looks good. Start the bike. You guys can hear the sound. Nice, right? So the bike is already warm, so let's give it a couple revs. Spitfires. Alright, without any further ado, let's go for a ride and hear the sound. So these are my new gloves, and I will tell you a little bit more about it when I go for riding. But these gloves are very comfortable, looks really good, and it's budget as well. So let's go for the ride and we tell you more about it. I'm excited. This inline 4 sounds amazing. You can hear the sound all day long. If you are a long subscriber to my channel, I owned Z900 and I had Leo Vinci, I had Akrapovic. Those must sound great, right? But this sounds amazing for the money you pay. I'm not sure how much exactly he paid for it, but I will put the price on the screen for you guys. Traction control kicked in. Yeah, so while I get to a nicer road, let's tell you guys a little bit about these gloves. So a company called INBIKE, so they usually make bicycle gears for a long time, and these are quality gears, and they're just getting into motorcycle gears as well. And so they just started off with some gloves and stuff. I'm gonna have, of course, their website link and description on the screen and on my description box as well. You guys go check them out, and hopefully I have a coupon available for you guys to order. Check them out. If you guys like them, try them out, use my coupon, you get some discount as well. But these are awesome, guys. The quality and fit and finish is perfect and fits really good. Only thing, probably add those touch sensitive tips so then you can use your phone with the gloves on. So these ones don't do that, so that's the only one thing. Alright, so these are the INBIKE's gloves, so that you guys go and check them out and help my channel out a little bit. Thank you for that. Alright guys, you guys can hear the sound of this Delkevic exhaust. Sounds amazing. And this bike is not tuned, so he is probably going to tune it, but not I mean, it's recommended but not necessary. It's fine, but that sounds amazing. So this is a 2022 Kawasaki Z900 anniversary edition, and that's the only changes with this bike is the color. So other than the colors, there is no changes whatsoever. That's basically it. Just the color of this year is the 50th anniversary. That's it. So this is the first ride that I came out for after installing the exhaust. Man, the sounds I'm enjoying. It has a nice deep sound to it, and it's not as tinny that with my Leo Vinci used to be. It has a deeper tone to it, like I wouldn't say like a Akrapovic, but it's close enough that it's not hurting your eardrum. So I am very satisfied with the sound of this exhaust, and I'm glad he chose it because that's his first mod on this bike. As you guys can tell, there is nothing done to it but this exhaust. He is like, I'm just gonna go with the most expensive mod first, and then I can change things around if he needs to. But you see, as you guys can see, everything bone stock. And no quick shifter. Z900 do not come with quick shifter. I had it on mine because I installed aftermarket one, so this one doesn't have one, just so you know. But there are options available, you can install them. I just wish that Z900 or Kawasaki had option for quick shifter. Brakes are good. I like them. They're strong. I mean, I remember mine. I had no complaint about these brakes as well. Alright guys, so this will be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and like it, and don't forget to help my channel out by buying pair of these gloves. Very good. I like them. You guys, I'm sure, hope you guys enjoy and take some advantage of the discount. Thank you for joining and subscribing, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.